Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the custom card menu on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. Now, to access the custom card menu, simply swipe left or right on the current watch face on the home screen, like this. And as you can see here, we have the list of custom cards. That's how the Huawei calls them. I would just call them widgets. Basically, we have widgets right here. And you can customize this menu. To do it, press and hold on one of the custom cards to open the edit menu. And here we can do a couple of things. We can remove the custom card, add the custom card, and move them, basically change the order on the list. To remove the custom card, tap on the minus button on it, and it will disappear, as you can see. Now we can add one because there is a limit of them. We can only add up to 6, I think, or 5, something like that. So to add new one, tap on the plus button, scroll through the list of custom cards you like, or rather through the list of custom cards and find the one you like. For example, maybe temperature, and then tap on OK. And the temperature will appear right here. And to change the order on the list, for example, let's say we want to move the temperature right behind the heart rate. To do it, tap on the up button, this arrow next to the widget to move it up, and keep doing it until you place it in the place you want it to be in. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back and apply the settings. And then, as you can see, the skin temperature will be right here after heart rate. You can also do this through the settings. So you can open the menu, open the settings, find the custom cards option in settings, tap on it, and it will open this menu, and you can again change the settings you like, and then you can press the crown button to go back. Okay, and that's how you customize the custom card menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.